questions still linger tonight, many of which talk about First Amendment rights. And we spoke to an attorney for a little perspective on what your First Amendment rights are.
Our Nabil Ramadna continues our in-depth coverage from the Travis County Jail, where the arrested protesters were taken.
Yeah, and I want to backtrack just for a moment here how we got to the Travis County Jail. As we got to campus, we saw dozens of students detained and then taken away, many of those students asking where they were going. Well, a lot of them ended up here. Now, just to show some of that video, again, things got very heated between some of the officers and some of the protesters. We saw horse-mounted law enforcement pushing those protesters back. We saw some of the officers going in and finding some of the protesters and bringing them in. That's when they were detained. Now, I do want to come back live out here to show you the Travis County Jail. This is where friends, family members, some faculty members from UT have shown up here to show support for these protesters who are being held here at the Travis County Jail. You can take a look and see a rather large gathering here, many of them saying they are going to stay here until they see their friends or the people who were detained earlier. Now, again, we did talk to some of the public defenders who are working to try to get some of these protesters out of jail. They tell us there's about 50. That's what one of the public defenders tells me. Again, though, we did talk to some of the students out here. Take a listen to what they had to say.
As long as our administrators and our faculty and our governors, feel so absolutely shameless in, letting state troopers and policemen walk all over their students, cuff them on the ground with zip ties, drag them across the floors and tackle them to the ground on their campus that they pay money to attend. As long as our administrators feel comfortable doing that and our faculty and staff feel comfortable with that, we will protest. We will use our voices to make aware that this is happening, and we'll tell everybody that we can.
UT campus, it is public. You do have the First Amendment right to peacefully protest, to peacefully assemble. You do have that First Amendment right, but the First Amendment does have its limitations there. And so even if you're protesting on public land, such as the UT campus, it can reach the point that you can be asked to leave.
Now, Logan Campbell, who you just heard from right there, not affiliated with any of the protesters that were brought here to the Travis County Jail. I can tell you that some of the people we talked to said that they do plan to continue protesting. And as you can see, many of the supporters here back here waiting for those protesters to be released. So we'll keep on top of things here, make sure we give you the very latest on what's going on. But for now, reporting live at the Travis County Jail, Nabil Ramadna, back to you.